Hello and welcome back to the Carl Lewis Academy YouTube channel. So we are starting a brand new series for 2026 on Windows Server Hybrid Administration. So this is the Microsoft website for this certification. I will make sure to put a link to this article in the video description down below so that you can take a time to go through it and familiarize yourself with the certification. So what I want to show you here is that this certification has two exams. So when you scroll all the way down to the bottom, certification exams, the first exam is the AZ-800. So that's the exam code. And the second exam is the AZ-801. So in order to become a Microsoft Certified Hybrid Administrator, you eventually have to pass both exams. And at the right side, it tells you the pricing of the exam based on your location. So make sure to click in this drop-down list and choose your location. And then it will tell you what the price of the exam is. For example, if you are in Liberia and you choose Liberia, it tells you just this one exam is $83. Right? So make sure to choose your location to get the actual price for the exam. So in the next set of videos, I will walk you through the course material for preparing for these two exams. So we will start first with the materials on the AZ-800, which is Administering Windows Server Hybrid Core Infrastructure. So here is a breakdown of the learning path. Okay, so again, I will make sure to leave this link in the video description down below. An important place here for you to take note is where we have tip, and make sure to review the study guide, because the study guide will have the new changes to the exam in terms of what materials were on the exam that have been updated, what materials were there before and were removed, and what new materials were added. So when I right click on this study guide and say open a new tab, it will bring me into the study guide page, and you can go through and view a skills measure as of January 21st, 2026. So this has been updated. The last update was January 21st, 2026. And then you can even come right here to the other study guide for the 801 and click on it. And then it will also tell you. So the 801 study guide was last updated October 6, 2025. So again, I will make sure to leave a link to the study guide in the video description. And you can see other Microsoft exams study guide here as well. Okay, so I'll make sure to leave a link to the study guide so that you familiarize yourself with the study guide before you write the exam to know what are the new changes that will be happening on the exam. So I will walk you through the process of how you can register for an exam and schedule an exam. After we are done with everything in the AZ-800, then we will go to the AZ-801, this tab, AZ-801, which is the Windows Server Hybrid Advanced Services. So we'll go through all of that as well. So when you come down to the bottom, it tells you the different modules. It tells you the different topic, and then each topic has certain number of modules. So for example, this first topic, Secure Windows Server On-Premises and Hybrid Infrastructures, has 9 modules in here. And then it goes on and tells you all of the different topic and modules for each topic. So my goal is to start first with the 800 and complete the 800, and then you can go and write that exam. And then the next thing is to prepare you for the AZ-801, and then you can go and write that exam. So by passing both exams, then you will become a Microsoft Certified Hybrid Administrator. I highly recommend that you log into the Microsoft Learn and you read through as well, because what we will be doing will be the practical aspect of this certification. But I would expect you to go on the Microsoft LAN and log in. And the reason why you want to log in is because it keeps track of your progress. So, and then at the end, it gives you exercises to do the questions and challenge you to prepare you also for the exam. And then it just gives you additional literature and information that you can familiarize yourself with the subject material, right? So, for example, you come to the first topic here is Introduction to ADDS, right? So it will define ADDS, define user groups and computers, forests and domains, OU, which is organization units, and all of those things. And then it has module assessment, and then it has summary, and then go to the next module. So as you are learning the practical part of it through these video courses I will be doing, I will expect you to also come on the Microsoft LAN and read as well, so that you are also familiar with the specifics, right? Like what is an OU, and what are the FISMO roles, and all of those different things. Use this video to supplement your learning on the Microsoft LAN. So that's a brief introduction to this set of videos that I'll be doing over the next several weeks. So I hope you subscribe to the YouTube channel. And also, if you are watching this video on LinkedIn, make sure to like it, make sure to leave comment and in the comment section below on YouTube and on LinkedIn, and make sure to share with someone who is also trying to prepare for this exam. Feel free to reach out to me, direct message me, follow me on LinkedIn, follow me and also follow me on YouTube, and leave questions in the comment section on YouTube or LinkedIn. I'll make sure to get back to those questions and answer or point you into the right direction and provide other additional resources that can help you to satisfactorily prepare for and pass the exams. Okay, so without further ado, take care, and I will see you in the very next video. Bye.